In Australia, life jackets fit into three broad categories: automatic self-inflating, manual inflating, and foam buoyancy. Inflatable life jackets are often used by seafarers, fishermen, and sailors who need the unrestricted movement provided by a slim-fit life jacket. Self-inflating life jackets inflate automatically when they come into contact with water. Manual inflation life jackets are inflated by the wearer pulling the toggle attached to the life jacket. Foam buoyancy life jackets are generally bulkier and rely on their inherent buoyancy to keep the wearer afloat. Choose a life jacket that meets the national standard for commercial vessels for your kind and class of vessel, and practice overboard drills and life jacket use with your crew regularly. In a real emergency, every second counts. Don't wait until it's too late. Get on board with life jacket safety.